Hey everyone, if you are getting unexpected MFA code or strange login alerts from the Chase app on your iPhone, you are not alone. Today I'll explain the Chase app MFA bug in simple steps. First, what the MFA bug is. MFA means Multifactor Authentication. The extra code Chase sends to verify it's really you. The bug happens when the app triggers security checks even you didn't try to log in, causing surprise SMS codes or alerts. Second, why this happens. After some apps updates, Chase security system may think your season expired or changed suddenly. Your iPhone tries to re-authenticate in the background and Chase mistakenly sends you MFA codes. Third, device sync issue. If you use Chase on multiple devices like iPhone plus iPad, the system may think there is a new login. This mismatch triggers unexpected login alerts even though it's still you. Fourth, server-side bug. Sometimes Chase servers incorrectly flag normal activity as suspicious. When this happens, many users suddenly get MFA texts at the same time, even with no login attempts. Fifth, saved login seasons expiring. If your iPhone recently updated or restarted, the saved Chase season may break. The app tries to refresh behind the scenes, causing a surprise MFA request. Sixth, VPN or location switch. If you are using a VPN, switching Wi-Fi networks, or traveling, Chase may detect an unusual IP address that triggers new login alerts even though nothing is wrong. Seventh, what you should do. Make sure your Chase app is updated, turn off VPN, restart your iPhone and sign in manually once. This usually resets the authentication token and stops the random MFA alerts. And that's the Chase MFA bug explained in simple steps. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.